Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10374126. Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10374126 is a replacement electronic control board for Whirlpool washers. This part is used to replace the original electronic control board in a Whirlpool washer. It is designed to provide reliable operation and control of the washer's functions, including water level, temperature, spin speed, and cycle selection. The board also contains a diagnostic system that can detect and display error codes when problems occur. This part is compatible with several models of Whirlpool washers, including some models of Maytag and Amana. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for Whirlpool refrigerators. It can fix symptoms such as the refrigerator not cooling, the display not working, or the refrigerator not responding to any commands. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old control board by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect any wires connected to the old control board and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Install the new Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10374126 control board by connecting any wires that were disconnected from the old board and then screwing it into place. 5. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and turn it on to test that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.